Hey guys, it's Abby TV here, and welcome back to another video. And today, I'm gonna be doing what's inside my mini backpack. There's not much in here, FYI. So this is upstairs from Justice. It's a flip sequin backpack. It flips to a matte blue that kind of looks like this. So. And then it has these fuzzy pom-poms. So, there's not a lot in here, so like, don't be too excited. Because I'm doing one maybe this, I might do one like, in like 2 weeks, just to see what I have in here. Because for right now, I don't really have much. So first we're going to do the pocket that doesn't have much in it. So, sorry about that. So, we're just not gonna do that. My face is a mess right now, and I'm filming in it, so, yeah. Okay, so, there's only one thing in, this big pack. But look, as you can see, it's like blue in here. And this is Justice logo right there. So, yeah. Oh, and on this, you can definitely put some like furry pom-pom keychains or stuff like that. But it has the Justice logo. So, the only thing that's in here is one of my favorite stuffed animals. Her name is Pixie. She is a Justice pet shop. And I love her so much. She's a black cat. So yeah, that's the only thing in that pocket. The next pocket is kind of weird. It has some weird stuff in here. So the next pocket is this Justice logo pocket with sequins on the inside. Oh, hi Bandit. With sequins on the inside. So the first thing we have in here is I have random stuff in my backpack. I'm sorry. Literally, my friend has a calculator in hers. So, I have this Harry Potter wand from, a blind box. So, yeah, I like to, find spells to use. So, oh, okay. I don't have a phone, but I'm very creative. And I wrote like Insta Dunn and Debbie. As in Debbie Dunn, Josh Dunn. What was I gonna say? I don't have a phone, but for when I do get a phone, sorry, I hold it weird. For when I do get a phone, I'll have this, because I don't have to buy one when I get a phone, so like I'll already have this one. It's an A with that's a unicorn inside the clothes. It's really cute, and it has this blue pastel blue. It's pastel blue. Okay, next thing. I don't even. Get out of here. Oh, I have this Trident gum. I don't think I have much. Eat it. I mean, yeah, I have a lot left. So, that's that. And I think this is the last thing that's in. Is this the last thing? Yeah. I don't know why I have this, but it's fizzy candy. It's a soda pop. New enchanted flavor. So this is. Okay, I should just. It's crushed. This is. Oh, okay. So this is candy, and what they do is this is supposed to be crushed, but they call it crash. And like they have like the Loca Cola, I think. I have it upstairs in my room. So yeah, that's all that's in here. Comment down below if you want me to do like another one in the future, because I'd totally be down to doing one. This was super fun. I might do one maybe like later today if I like put more stuff in here. So like be ready because I might have like 2 in one day. So yeah, that's fun. So I was just chilling down here. Then I was like, I have my iPad, I have my backpack, and I have all my fun stuff inside. I swear, I hope this is my screen. No. I hope this is my thumbnail. Or like, hold on. I can't choose my thumbnail, so let's just hope that's all I have to do. Hope. By the way, if you don't know, I love 21 Pilots. So Debbie Ryan and Josh Dunn are like their fiancés. Well, I think that's what they call them. They're engaged. So I have that because I completely love them. I know that's kind of creepy, but like, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of what's inside my mini backpack. So yeah, I definitely recommend getting one because this does have a lot of space. You can fit like, for example, you can fit like, well, I can't fit my iPad in here, but you can definitely fit your phone like in this pocket or even this pocket. So yeah, it's really useful. I use it a lot. Well, I got it yesterday, but I still have been using it a lot. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me showing you what's inside my mini backpack. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye!